Frappe Assistant HR Agent. HR Agent is an AI powered recruitment assistant that automates resume screening, scores candidates instantly, and helps HR teams make faster, smarter hiring decisions. Meet HR Agent's bulk resume pre screening, designed to take the heavy lifting out of your hiring process. Instead of manually going through hundreds of resumes, HR Agent lets you evaluate up to 50 candidates in one go, automatically and in minutes. Every candidate is scored based on the specific requirement of the role you're hiring for. So you're just not filtering resumes, you're getting accurate role relevant matches. The result? You found the right fit candidates. Moving them forward is as simple as one click, converting shortlisted candidates into job applicants and thereby into your hiring pipeline. In this demo, we will walk through how HR teams can upload multiple resumes and evaluate candidates in bulk against a specific job opening. Before running bulk screening, we configure the agent in the HR agent settings doc type. We choose the LLM provider and fill in the details of the LLM provider, and next, we enable the HR agent. Once this is done, under the FAC settings, we provide the API key and the API secret. Next, under the screening mode, we have to enable the bulk resume pre-screening to continue with this process. We continue filling the details for the agent identity. Once this is done, we move to the next part of setting up the job opening role. In the job opening doc type, we select the existing role or create a new role for which candidates are hired. Under the job role, the mandatory details are being filled in along with the description of what the job role is. Next, under the AI shortlisting criteria, we define the scoring criteria based on which the candidate is scored and shortlisted. These criteria are default criteria that exist once the user installs the app. They can be seen in the scoring criteria doc type, where the weight and the description for each of these criteria are being mentioned here. Any additional required criteria can be added and used for shortlisting purposes. Once this is set up, we move to the resume pre-screening doc type. In this doc type, we create a new batch to add the resumes. We select the job opening details, and then under actions, we click on upload resumes and select the resumes in bulk from our system. For every batch, a maximum of 50 resumes can be uploaded at a time. Next, we click on Run Pre-Screening under the actions, which starts the entire process of bulk resume pre-screening. Now, the resume content is being extracted and compared against the job requirement and the criteria provided. As you can see, the resume count and the run status of this batch has been updated here. Next, we also have a child table that monitors the status and updates the content of these fields once the processing of each resume is done. As we can see, two resumes have been processed and the candidate name, the fit score, along with the pre screening applicant link is being updated here. Once all the resumes in the batch have been processed, we can see that the fields are being updated with the name, score, and the pre screening applicant link. Clicking on the pre screening applicant link takes us to the applicant created per resume that was uploaded. The candidate details have been updated from the resume. Under the AI evaluation tab, we have a short gist of the candidate along with the AI fit score that helps the HR in deciding whether the given candidate should be accepted or rejected. Next, we also have the skills matched and skills missing fields that will be updated based on the requirements. We also have an AI score breakdown, which is a more detailed breakdown on how the scores have been justified for this candidate. At the bottom, we see the AI recommendation provided for each resume that was being uploaded. Based on the candidate scores, the HR can easily move shortlisted candidates forward in the hiring process by simply selecting them and clicking Create Job Applicant. As you can see, the job applicant has been created. It also has a direct link to access it. Once we open the record, all the candidate details have been filled in along with the AI generated summary. From here, the hiring process can seamlessly continue to the next stage. In addition, we have the HR agent run doc type, which captures detailed logs for each resume processed. For every uploaded resume, a run is created that records the associated job opening, the linked job applicant if created, along with the model details, token used, and the process duration of this run with the job ID. This provides full transparency and traceability for every evaluation. With this, the HR agent reduces manual screening effort and speeds up the shortlisting process, ensuring better hiring outcomes with minimal token usage. Thank you.